Welcome to the Punk Show. Video games, more than a hobby, a lifestyle. I, like so much of us, like video games. And well, I usually hear that when I say that I'm a gamer. So, you like video games? Yep. So, you have no life? Why can't we like video games and have a life? It's almost like you like dubstep? Yep. So, you don't like music? Society as a whole see gaming as a big problem. For some, games turn us violent. Well, playing GTA never brought me to kill 23,000 citizens in one day. Steal 10,000 cars, sell drugs, go out with hookers, play with RPGs, or think that I'm unaffected by bullets. No did FIFA.
Goal! 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 Die, motherfucker! Die!
And there's a lot to say when we talk about hardcore gamers. God, he fragged me again! It's the 18th time! The angry ones are, well, scary. But seeing my little cousin wasting my master ball on a ratata would get me fired up. Hardcore gamers are dedicated to the gaming lifestyle. I'd really like to follow them, but I need money for that. Gaming, in fact, strengthens people. It's known that doctors playing before an operation are more accurate. Playing after the operation would be useless. The more you practice, the better you get. And also, my best English teacher was the PlayStation 2. So, screw you, primary school! Also, without Call of Duty, I would never ever know so much about the wars. Maybe because I'm never at school. Historical games are fun and educational. Learn and have fun, yeah! Games are fun, and great, and awesome, and I need a girlfriend. I kid, I don't need a girlfriend. I got Battlefield 3 Limited Edition. That's all for today. My first vlog in English. My British accent is not perfect. But well, I've still got time to bring my English level to over 9,000! See ya next time, maybe, if that video was successful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also follow me on Twitter. And don't forget the hashtag PunKShoW. Also like my Facebook fan page. So goodbye and stay awesome. It's like for hookers. Why can't they have a well-done job and a boyfriend? Bad example, I guess.